The concept of graph. What is graph? Now you will come to know why linear equations are known as linear equations. Let's understand this concept of graph and linear equations. Things to remember while drawing a graph. Always remember to draw lines with proper axis, with proper coordinates. Mark the axis properly, x, x dash, y, y dash. Don't forget to mark the origin and don't forget to mark the scale. So before you start plotting the points on the graph paper, these are the things which should be there on the graph paper. The lines with proper coordinates, axis, origin and scale, and obviously the question number as well, right? Now this is how your graph paper looks like. The axis need not be in the center, it depends on the scale whatever you are taking. So this is a graph. You all can see lines with proper coordinates. X coordinates are below the axis, y coordinates are to the left of the axis. The axes are marked properly, x, x dash, y, y dash. Scale is written 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes, right? So let's understand the concept behind this. A linear equation actually represents a straight line on the graph paper. That's why it is known as a linear equation. You take any linear equation, find say 2 or 3 values of x and y that satisfies that equation, plot it on the graph paper and you will see that all the points are collinear and you are getting a straight line. So always remember this, linear equation represents a straight line, always, right? Now as you know, in every sum, because we need to solve the linear equations in 2 variables simultaneously, because there are 2 variables in it, so 2 equations are given to us. So every sum, one linear equation represents a line. So 2 linear equations, you will get 2 lines on the graph paper. Now once you get those 2 lines like this, if both the lines intersect at a point, that point of intersection is nothing but the solution. So answer that you find, that x's value and y's value, the answer that you get is nothing but the point of intersection of the 2 lines on the graph paper. For example, here the point of intersection is -3, 4. So we will come to a conclusion that x is equal to -3 and y is equal to 4. So point of intersection is nothing but the solution. So that's the concept of graph. That every linear equation represents a straight line, and that's why it is known as linear. So 2 linear equations, 2 lines. Both the lines intersect at a point, and that point of intersection is nothing but the solution. But now the question is how to get those points to draw the line, how to get those coordinates, how to get the x coordinate and the y coordinate to draw the lines. To understand that, let's start with the next module.